I got a call yesterday that the generator could not start. So I asked the client what is it displaying on the module, and he said it's not displaying any error code, but rather what is saying on the module is auto. The red light showing the auto, as you can see, and each time they try to press it, it's not responding. I actually asked him to send a picture of what is seeing there, and actually it was what you see here. I told him that the mode at which this model is not going to start because you did not wire or connect your generator to auto, which implies that when there is a discontinuity of the public power supply, the generator, if connected with the auto mode, is going to kick start and transfer the load to the generator. And when you have a cut or a restoration of light back to the building, it's going to shut it down and transfer the load to the public power supply. So with that, it's not going to start if you put it on auto and you try to start it manually, as you can see. So most people may have this problem. That is why I decided to make this video. Once your generator is on this mode, you cannot start it manually. So the only thing you need to do, make sure you transfer this there where you have a hand there displaying manual. With this, the generator is ready to kickstart. I've already checked the oil level and the coolant level. I just want to start the generator to show you how it's going to respond. Then watch this. Just a quick one. So maybe after the close of work, somebody decide to play around with the model. You know, human beings are inquisitive in nature. They just want to see, let me see what is happening here, and they decide to press this down here. On this mode, no matter how you press start, it's not going to respond to that. So it was a troubling scenario yesterday because most of the management staff are housed here. So when you have a situation like this, it's going to bring some sort of headache. So I just want to show you how it's being done. What you need to do, bring it down here. With that, you are good to go. See you on the next video.